श्री माता वैष्णो देवी श्राइन में पहुंचने के लिए बहुत से साधनों का प्रयोग होता है और उन साधनों में पालकी एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण साधन है और जिसका उपयोग जो है हमारे जो अशक्त और वृद्ध लोग हैं वो करते हैं। लेकिन इस पालकी को कैरी करने वाले पोर्टर्स की बहुत सी परेशानियां हैं क्योंकि इसका पालकी का वज़न काफ़ी होता है और 13 किलोमीटर के इस ट्रैक पे उसको ले करके जाना एक काफ़ी जो है एक पेनफुल मैं कहूँगा कि काम है जिसको इम्प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत समझी गई।
हम पालकी का काम करते हैं कटरा वैष्णो देवी में के माँ के चरणों में। जब हम कटरा से चलते हैं माता वैष्णो देवी के, जब कोई भी पैसेंजर को लेके जाते हैं तो काफ़ी रास्ता है, कम से कम अप एंड डाउन 28 किलोमीटर है।
देखो सर, ऐसे बात है, जब हम चारों मिल के चलते हैं ना, तो जब हमारे बाएं कंधे पे जो लकड़ी जो है बाएं कंधे में होगा, जो सेंटर में बाएं कंधे में होगा तो दूसरे में दाएं में होगा, तो उसको अभी पूरा ध्यान एक का बाएं साइड होगा, एक का दाएं साइड होगा, क्योंकि किसी यात्री या किसी भी मजदूर होगा, कोई भी होगा, कि किसी को पालकी लगे ना। देखो पैसेंजर तो हमने अपनी जान से प्यारा होता है, क्योंकि हमारा रोजी रोटी जो है उसी से दारोमदार हमारा चलता है।
This is about the deep concern of Dr. Chidambaram, who is Principal Scientific Advisor to Government of India, in reducing the drudgery of the porters carrying pilgrims to the Katra Shrine, and that's how the redesigning of the Palki project initiated. This very good project was taken up as an integrative effort by IIT Mumbai's IDC division and also NEET for ergonomic studies, and beautifully these people worked for that.
Our role in this project was to do a very good user study, understand the needs of the porters very, very closely, and come up with designs which will help them to reduce the drudgery.
So NEET is one place where we have a center of excellence in ergonomics and human factor engineering. While IDC put up a design, we came up with ergonomic studies, their biomechanics system, where the load is coming. We found the shoulder and back were two areas where the lower back was two areas where load was very heavy, and we looked at how we can reduce that load by doing proper design. I think some of the experts also said that so many minute details we as a team has looked at and tried to find a solution which is good for the design.
So when we made our first prototype, we had missed out a lot of important issues. Then we had to go with a second prototype and some more new issues started cropping up. And finally, when we actually made our seventh prototype, the porters finally said, wow, this is done, and now the Palki is very good. The final design was lightweight and robust. We could reduce the weight to 34 kilos from around 50 to 54 kilos, and this made a large impact on the comfort of the porters. At the same time, we were very focused on the structural analysis of the palki, and we conducted the analysis that we managed to maintain very good structural stability and structural integrity in the design so that the palki can last long and it can be very safe.
Today I am very happy as these integrative efforts are being concluded, and final solution is emerged is lightweight, ergonomically designed, safety aspects are there, all the designs are structurally validated also, and it is also catering to the large age groups of the pilgrims, which are actually will be benefited, and along with the porters' health, and also I am extremely happy. These are all integrative efforts and the guidance from PRMC members and the experts we have got.